So the first thing we're going to do is try to find out more information about this source, Ordo News. So I've run a Google search on them. And when I try to log on their own website, I am immediately stopped by an ad blocker. So they want me to turn off my computer protection to be able to visit the site. That is extremely suspicious, and we definitely don't want to visit any sites where they're asking us to turn off the things that protect our computer, because that means they might want to pass us on a virus or something like that. When I keep looking at my Google results, unfortunately, there really isn't anything published here by any sources that I trust about Ordo News. So that makes me think that no one really knows anything about who these guys are. So definitely not a trusted news source. The second thing I'm going to do is run a Google search on Asteroid hitting Earth November 2020. Okay, I'm going to run this Google search. Now I'm going to see what kind of information I can find out about it from these sites. Now we know we trust CNN is a trusted website. It's a news website. Popular Mechanics is a good website. CBS News, all of these websites all have good stories about this supposed asteroid that's going to hit the Earth. So you can pick. The rule of three means that you should read 3 sources. So you don't have to read the full article, but you check 3 other trusted sources to see if this information is true or not. So in this case, I can check this one first and read what it has to say. Okay, so blah, blah, blah. It says, yes, there is an asteroid, but it says based on 21 observations, the agencies determined that the asteroid probably won't have a deep impact. The chance of hitting the Earth is just 0.41%. And so they're basically saying in this story that the chances of it hitting Earth are very small. I'm going to check this Popular Mechanics article. This Popular Mechanics article again says that take a deep breath. Asteroid 2018 VP1 is very small, 6.5 feet, and poses no threat to the Earth. That's what NASA said on August 23rd. So a second source has confirmed that it's not dangerous. And we'll check one more source because I want to check 3 sources all to see if we're all on the same page. And I'm going to check CBS News. This is another news site. Asteroid will pass extremely close to Earth the day before the election. So the story changed completely here. And it says this space rock poses no risk to our planet. So by checking 3 sources, I was able to get the answer I need. And as a third measure, if you were not able to find information about this on 3 different websites, you could check Snopes. Just enter Snopes in your search bar and it'll be the first thing that comes up. Now, Snopes is interesting because it is a site where fact finders search for all kinds of information about possible fake facts or misinformation. So people who work for Snopes, they spend their whole day trying to find out if stories are true or not true. So if I type in asteroid and Earth November 2020, this is my search on Snopes. We'll see what comes up. So they, right off the bat, they say, please stop. That gives you a rating right here. This is false information. And then they come to explain about how this is a rumor, there's been hoaxes about these asteroids. It's distracting from real information about the upcoming election in the United States. So anytime you're not sure, Snopes is a really easy way you can verify if your information is true or not true. I hope these 3 techniques help you to identify misinformation. And when in doubt, ask a teacher, ask a parent, talk to an adult.